To get a loan from a quick money app, start by downloading and installing the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, fill out the loan application form with accurate and up-to-date information, including your employment status, income, and bank account details. The app will use this information to determine your loan eligibility and the maximum amount you can borrow. After submitting your application, the app will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Carefully review the terms and conditions before accepting the loan offer. If you accept the loan offer, the app will disburse the loan amount into your bank account, and you can use the funds to cover your expenses. To repay the loan, you can set up an auto debit instruction or make manual payments through the app. It is essential to repay the loan on time to avoid late payment fees and negative impact on your credit score. Before applying for a loan, ensure you have a stable income and a plan to repay the loan to avoid debt traps. Additionally, be aware of the interest rates and fees associated with the loan, and compare them with other lenders to ensure you are getting the best deal. By following these steps and being responsible with your borrowing, you can get a loan from a quick money app and manage your finances effectively.